How you going, guys? Curtis from Cutting Edge Engineering. Today's video is going to be part 2 of repairing the hydraulic accumulators of the 24M grader. So if you missed part 1 where we had to salvage the barrels and machine out the seized end caps, there'll be a link in the description below. And today we're going to be making the new end caps. To make those, we're going to be using an offcut of 115mm induction hardened chrome bar. Ideally we could make this out of a standard piece of 1045 solid bar, but we had this in stock and it's too short to use for anything else, so we're going to make them out of this. What we're going to get started with is getting it set up in the lathe and machining off the induction hardened layer. So I'm going to be doing all of the lathe work for both end caps at once. Then we can part them to length and finish them off in the mill. These particular components, the OEM doesn't supply specs or drawings for them, so we have to compile our own information, and because we had to completely machine out the original end caps and had to destroy them, we weren't able to use them as a reference, but our customer did supply us this one, which is from the other end of the accumulator. The only difference is there are 2 extra holes in one end to bolt on the cover that covers up the fitting, and the thread for the fitting is slightly different as well. But I did take measurements of the original specs for those holes. So the induction layer is about 3.5mm thick, and we're going to take that in one pass. Now we're going to machine it down to suit the diameter of the thread, which is 106.2mm. So I've taken a measurement and we've got 2mm to remove off the diameter to bring it to size. And I'm also just going to face this end. I'm just going to change out to an S&MG neutral and chamfer this end. Now I'm going to machine the threads to make the process a little bit quicker and to make sure both thread profiles are exactly the same. I'm going to machine the entire length. Once we've done that, we can machine in the detail for the seals. Something I mentioned in part 1 was a design flaw where there is no sealing surface between the thread of the end cap and the barrel, which allows moisture and dirt to get in there and rust everything together. So an obvious solution to fix this would be to redesign the end cap with a flange on it with an O-ring groove machined in that, but that would mean you would have to modify the end of the barrel. Our customer has decided to go with a much more cost-effective solution. During reassembly, they will wipe a bead of silicone around the last 5mm of the threads, and when the end cap's fully installed into the barrel, it will be sealed from any outside elements. So that's the threading completed. I'm really happy with how that fits into the barrel. Now we're going to machine in these details. And what we've got is a groove for an O-ring, which seals the end cap in the barrel. And we also have a stop shoulder, which prevents the end cap from being screwed too far into the barrel. Now with that done, before we part these to length, we need to drill and tap the hole for the fitting that is used to charge the accumulator with nitrogen gas.
Sweaty.
Now with all that done, we're going to get it set up on the mill and drill some holes.
Oh, what you got? Yeah. Come on. Hey. Come on, let's go. Hey, what you got? Yeah. You know. Hey, hey, hey. You like that?
Now with that bolted down, we're going to find centre of the part. Now that we've found center, I'm going to use the PCD function on the digital readout to locate the 3 bolt holes that are used to tighten or loosen the end cap. Now we're set up on our first location, I'm going to use a 10.2mm drill and drill about 28mm deep. Now I'm going to use a countersinking bit to chamfer the edge. And we're using a UFS M12 spiral tap to cut the thread. That's the first hole drilled and tapped. Now we're going to move to our next hole location. Now that we've got those holes completed, we're going to move back to center so we can drill and tap the 2 holes that hold the cover down over the fitting. And these holes have a 27mm offset, and we're going to drill and tap them for a 3/8 bolt. So I'm having a bit of an interference issue with the threaded rod and the drill chuck. I don't want to cut this threaded rod down because it is for another fixture, so I'm going to use a larger diameter drill bit to chamfer those holes. So with those holes drilled and tapped, that is our first end cap completed. Now we're going to drill and tap the holes in the second one. Righto guys, so that's our end caps made. Considering these parts are not available from the OEM, for the sake of a couple of hours work and an off-cut piece of material, our customer's going to be very happy. And now we can fit these into the barrels that we salvaged. So I'm not going to install the end caps all the way until they bottom out. We don't have the seal kit and we're not doing the reassembly. The customer is doing that. So we're just going to screw them in halfway and wrap them up. And that's this job done. Thanks for watching.
Yeah. Do you need to use two hands?
How you going guys? Curtis from Cutting Edge Engineering. Today's video is going to be... oh fuck. Are you right?
I'm just waiting.
How you going guys? Curtis from I'm laughing. Fuck me. It's hot already.
Stop. Oi. 40 seconds of nothingness.
Right. Are you ready? And... but that would mean readers... but that would mean... oh, fuck me.
Bean.
But that would be...
Oh my god.
now with those...
Balls.
to locate the three... oh, fuck me. To locate the three... oh, fuck me. Right. Ugh. Can we not do this, please?
We have to.
It hurts my brain.
Mine too. Oh my god. Good thing there was heaps of swarf to catch it. What is happening?
Fucking lots.
What are you doing?
Starting again. Do it again.
Jesus. Dude. Oh my god. Are you right?
Now I'm going to machine in the threads to make the process a little bit quicker and to make sure both threads are the exact same diameter. Oh fuck! That doesn't make English.
Why did you say that?
I don't know. Fuck off, train. Now I'm... oh my god. Now I'm gonna... oh my god, I did it again.
You get stuck in a loop.
Now I'm gonna... oh fuck, I already did it again. There has to be something wrong with my head. There's like a wire.
Do you want me to deny this?